Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to verify your bank account on Ally. This is a pretty common question, and I've seen a lot of people struggling with it. So, I'm going to walk you through the steps, and I'll also provide some helpful tips along the way. Before we get started, let's talk about why you might want to verify your bank account on Ally. There are a few reasons, but the most common one is to transfer money to or from your account. If you're trying to transfer money from another bank to your Ally account, you'll need to verify your account to make sure that you're the owner of the account. Similarly, if you're trying to transfer money from your Ally account to another bank, you'll need to verify your account to make sure that the other bank knows that it's okay for you to transfer money to them. So, now that we know why we might want to verify our bank account on Ally, let's get started. Step 1. Sign into your Ally account. If you don't have an Ally account, you'll need to create one first. Once you've created an account, sign into it using your username and password. Step 2. Go to the Transfers tab. Once you're signed into your account, click on the Transfers tab. This tab is located at the top of the page, next to the Accounts and Investing tabs. Step 3. Click on Link Other Accounts. Once you're on the Transfers tab, click on Link Other Accounts. This will take you to a page where you can enter the information for your other bank account. Step 4. Enter the information for your other bank account. You'll need to enter the following information for your other bank account. Account type, checking or savings. Routing number. Account number. Bank name. Once you've entered all of this information, click on Continue. Step 5. Verify your account. Ally will now verify your account to make sure that you're the owner of the account. This process can take a few minutes or up to a few days. Once your account has been verified, you'll be able to transfer money to and from your Ally account. That's all there is to it. I hope this helps you verify your bank account on Ally. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and healthy.